How to rotate object in Figma. Being able to rotate elements, or let's say any object, is a fantastic way to add creativity to a design. So let's jump right in. Now let's get into how to rotate an object. The most straightforward method is by using the rotation handle. So if you're wondering what is rotation handle, it's very simple. So let's simply tap into the object and just slightly move your cursor to the side. And you can see this arrow, like it's almost like this handle. It's almost like semicircle kind of arrow around the object. You can simply click and drag this handle to rotate the object to your desired angle. It is more of like it's all totally up to you, like how much you want to rotate. You'll see a preview of the rotation in real time, allowing you to adjust as necessary. So this is one way to rotate, okay? That's the easiest way to achieve rotation. If you need more precisions, I've got you covered in that as well. You can use the properties panel at the right side. Just go to the position or the transform. There is the angle. Simply, there is 122 degree right now. You can either type in the exact rotation angle you want or use the up and down arrow to adjust in small increment. I'm gonna type in like the angle obviously and hit enter, and there you go. This method is perfect when you need an exact degree of rotation. And yeah, that's it. Now you have learned how to rotate object in Figma, whether through the rotation handle or the properties panel. Mastering rotation can enhance your design flexibility significantly. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Figma tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and happy designing. See you in the next video.